What's good, motherfuckers? Let's get right into the trade breakdown. These are basically just me talking no edits, stuttering for half the fucking video, but basically just showing you why I entered, how I came up with my bias, how I took profit, and everything else in between, and just breaking down just breaking down the entry. Yeah. And today we're going to be going over the last two trades that I've taken on Bitcoin. Actually, it's been three trades that I've taken on four. Sorry. I just saw there was two losses, two wins over the last 2 weeks on Bitcoin in my higher time frame. Yeah, in my higher time frame strategy. I will give a little bit of a disclaimer. I'm not going to be explaining the concepts whatsoever. For that, you guys already know where to find those, linked in the description. Or if you're coming from the server, then you know how to sign up for the mentorship. If you really fuck with these concepts and you think that I could be a good mentor to you, then that's the place to find everything. So yeah, you can put it all together, so that I can help you put it all together step by step from A to Z. But yeah, let's get right into the video on how I came up with these. All we're gonna do for this is, with the replay tool, we're gonna go back in time and delete everything and basically just come up with bias. For indicators, as always, three mentfx indicator, structure indicator, and then the mentfx triple M indicator. And okay, so for bias, all I use is the 3-day, daily, and then I enter in the 4-hour for this system. This, I only do it for crypto, and it's basically for swings for the most part. And I do risk around 2 to 5% every single trade. Hence why I enter in the higher time frames, because you know the probabilities in those from testing literally brings it from, let's say you're losing 3 out of 10 trades. With this, you're only losing 4 out of 10. Okay, so 3-day, what's 3-day and the 3-day doing? The 3-day was in a reaccumulation model. That basically means it just had 1, 2, 3. Holy fuck, what the fuck? It had 1, 2, 3 breaks to the upside, then it had a reset, and then it had a break up right after, and then another break up. So that puts us in reaccumulation. Now I need the daily to be doing exactly the same, or just honestly just being a bullish model, and it's doing the exact same thing. Not overextended either. It has 4 breaks to the upside. One more and I wouldn't be touching this, but because it only has 4, then we're still good to look for 4-hour entries. Now we step down to the 4-hour. It's pretty late at night. Holy fuck. Step down to the 4-hour. And we look for the exact same thing, a bullish market. Lo and behold, we were in a bullish market. And then we also had an S&D from a prior break, which is usable in an assumption of reaccumulation model. So we're good to just wait. All I was waiting for is for price to tap the zone, give me a 3M candle, and then I would take it up to the highs, to the prior highs. Okay. Waiting. No 3M candle. No 3M candle just yet. Here we get our 3M candle. We entered. Whoa, sorry. We put the buy stop at the high of the candle as always. Not right at the high, a little bit above. And we put our stop loss a little bit underneath. Lo and behold, we get tapped in. And it starts running. I'm not sure if this was the loss. It honestly could have been. I don't remember. And then we were targeting prior highs, which was basically all-time high. And we got stopped out for a 123.5 RR. Now, for the next entry, as always, all I was waiting for was for this to be an actual break, which I got. And then after, I looked for my 4-hour S&D, the deepest unmitigated 4-hour S&D, dragged it out, and the exact same thing that we did here. I just waited for price to calm down, tapped the S&D, give me a 3M candle, and then I entered. Okay, no 3M just yet. And see how it only wicked? This is exactly why I tell all of my students that you have to go by the rules. A lot of people will see the wick and think that the S&D, yes, even though it's fully filled, but for me, I'm still good to look for entries. Why? Because it's still valid. It didn't get broken down by a candle's body. And not only that, from testing, I've seen that that's where a lot of entries come. Okay, So we get nothing just yet. And then here, we got a 3 a.m. candle. Stop loss at the low. Targeting the high. And we got that in, and basically this is where price is currently. We're still in this trade, as you guys can see, up $14,000. Yeah, 14,406. You see the price moving, so you know it's not fake. And as you guys can see, it is a VIP account, so it's not a fucking, what do you call it? The fuck do you call those? A demo account. Okay. So we're good on that side of things. And that is basically it for these two trades. Step one, come up with bias. If everything is good, everything is aligned, the 3-day and the daily were both bullish, then look for the same bullishness in the 4-hour. Once you get your bullishness established in the 4-hour, look for your S&D. Once you get your S&D, wait for price to come down, tap the S&D, give you a 3 a.m. candle, and then target the high. That's the strategy. That's the breakdown. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.